So guys, let's create a new project. Tap on top left button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Go to pip, and here we have a 10-minute timer overlay. You can download it from the video description. Adjust the size. Go to mask, rectangle, resize the mask area. Move the top left corner button to make the corners round. Confirm it, position it where you like. Finally, go to the blend mode and choose the style you like. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.